The battleground of Bihar all set. Now, seat sharing for the NDA has been sealed. However, where the seat sharing formula is concerned, but there is a fair amount of rancor where the allies are concerned on who will get the winnable seat. So that has been a bit of rancor or uncertainty where the NDA camp comes into question, because late yesterday, the NDA has come up with their own seat sharing formula already sealed. On the other hand, the Mahagathbandhan is yet to announce their seat-sharing formula, and time is ticking. In the middle of it, Lalu Yadav and his family being framed in charges by a Delhi court in the IRCTC scam.
Just weeks before Bihar heads to the polls, the Lalu Yadav family faces a big jolt. A Delhi court has framed multiple criminal charges against RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, his wife Rabri Devi, and son Tejasvi Yadav in the IRCTC scam case. Special Judge Vishal Gogne found enough evidence to push the case to trial. Lalu Yadav is charged with corruption, conspiracy and cheating, while Rabri Devi and Tejasvi face conspiracy and cheating charges. All have pledged not guilty, and the courtroom battle now begins. The CBI alleges that during his stint as railway minister, Lalu used his power to lease 2 IRCTC hotels in Ranchi and Puri to a favoured firm, in return for prime land parcels transferred to companies linked to his family at dirt cheap rates.
Trouble seems to be mounting for the Lalu family and leader of opposition in Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav. According to the FIR filed by CBI, Lalu Prasad, the then railway minister, entered into a criminal conspiracy with the owner of Sujata Hotel, Sarla Gupta. Now, charges have been framed against Tejasvi, Rabri and Lalu Yadav.
What also caught public attention was Lalu Yadav's entry in the court in a wheelchair. Earlier in the day, he was captured on camera during his morning walk. The BJP has come out swinging, accusing the Lalu family of exploiting the poor, and warned that Bihar won't forgive such betrayal.
बिहार के मेरे भाइयों और बहनों, बुजुर्गों, नौजवानों, कभी तेजस्वी यादव के वादे के झांसे में मत आना। नौकरी तो मिलेगी नहीं, तुम्हारी जमीन छिन जाएगी, क्योंकि ये इनका टाइम टेस्टेड मॉडल है। बिहार को आगे बढ़ाने का ढोंग करते हैं आप, ये गलत है। हम इसकी बहुत ही भर्त्सना करते हैं।
The Congress, however, has called the timing of the charges highly suspicious, alleging a BJP-led conspiracy to weaken the opposition just before elections.
ये टाइमिंग तो बहुत जरूरी था भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए। ये जमाना कॉन्स्पिरेसी का ही है और साठ-गांठ का है, और इस आरोप को स्थापित करने का पूरा प्रयास हो रहा है।
Lalu Yadav is also facing investigation in a land for jobs case, where he is accused of giving railway jobs in return for land. With fresh corruption charges framed, the RJD's election campaign may take a hit. As election heat is rising, one thing is clear: the road to Patna is paved with high stakes and even higher drama. With Satyajit Kumar in Patna, Shreya Chatterjee and Anisha Mathur in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.